Okay, the remaining tools that I have here for you, hopefully break my cardinal rule that I've been telling people, which is don't pay for anything unless it's worth it. And the tools that I provided for you hopefully are worth it. And some of them you don't even have to pay for. The reason I say don't pay for anything is because ChatGPT 3.5 can pretty much do what all of these other tools are claiming they can do. Or can do, but like it's like a repackaging of ChatGPT. So I would highly encourage you not to pay for anything until you start to hit those limits and you see the need in that paid tier. One of my favorite AI tools that has the potential to break this rule is Magic School AI. So I've got some links down here. I'm going to tell you about these other two throughout the course of this video. But go ahead and click on Magic School AI here, which will take you to MagicSchool.AI, and then go and hit login or sign up for free. You can sign up with Google or Microsoft. I have a Google account, so I do that, and it drops me in here. So there's a couple things that I want to draw your attention to. I'm going to make myself as small as possible and put me up in the corner here. These are a bunch of tools. So, I got a free trial until the 16th, and I don't really know why. Cool. Well, I know why. They're trying to get me to buy their paid tier, but I didn't apply for anything. So you can search for a bunch of different things on here. And what I would encourage you to do once I'm done yapping is just spend some time in here and search and explore what's in here, because that first task that I gave you when you were using ChatGPT was to think of a pain point in your career, in your job that you would like to like expedite or make more efficient, and then design something around that. That's essentially what MagicSchool.AI is doing. And Stefan, why didn't you just give us that at the because you got to feel the pain and then solve the problem. That's the whole point, right? So, scroll down here. This is an AI resource that has been curated, created, and built specifically to help teachers. Right, digging into project-based learning. There you go. Want to get some sentence starters? Awesome. You want to make some things uh, more authentic for your students? Awesome. Make some clear directions. They have added a bunch of stuff since the last time I looked at this, which was like last week, which is crazy. This one I've yet to play around with, but get a summary of a YouTube video in whatever length you choose. Watch this. This is the GPT 4.0 video that I just made for you all. The URL in here, please fill this. Length of summary. 5 bullet points. Why isn't that working? See, now I'm afraid to. No, that's the Copilot one. Now I am afraid to pause the video because I'm just going to restart the dang thing. Share, copy, back here, paste, generate. Able to retrieve video. Maybe it hasn't been up long enough. Whatever. I'll try it later. Trust me, Magic School AI is awesome. So what I would let you do is what I would encourage you to do. I hope I can go back to that because I would actually like to customize that. Is check out some of these different tools. Again, I really, really want to emphasize AI tools are not replacements for teachers, and they should not replace the valuable work that you do. Something I tell teachers all the time is you're probably saying this to yourself, of course, this training, because it's a topic we're not really covering. Students are going to use AI to cheat. Like you probably looked at ChatGPT and were like, kids can just plug in these questions that I'm giving them. It'll automatically spit out completely authentic work that is totally original, and there's no way to detect it. There is no way to detect it, by the way. There's a bunch of AI detection tools out there. They don't work, and they are biased against English learners. So don't use them. That's a whole different training. It's a whole different conversation about how to use this with students, the conversations to have. But teachers are just as guilty of that because you're busy, right? I'm not saying you do this, but I've seen a lot of teachers say, "Well, oh look, this can generate like 50 multiple choice questions for me. Awesome, copy paste. I have my test for next week." Multiple choice questions have never been or have not been best practice for a very long time, right? There's a time and place for those things, but just because we can generate multiple choice questions like that doesn't mean we always should. Do not let AI tools automate the meaningful, powerful, and important work that you are doing as a teacher. Let it help you elevate your work, save you time, so you can continue to do what you do best, right? So explore some of these things. What are some things that stick out to you and are interesting to you? The very last assignment in this module is a reflection. Is there something in Magic School AI that you would like to share in that reflection? Super cool. The other thing that I would like to point out to you is the education chatbot, which is proposed to be made for schools, right? This is an AI chatbot that is designed to support educators. It's essentially an AI me, right? It's an AI instructional coach. AI tools should never replace actual good instructional coaches, right? Because we bring more value to the field than just an AI chatbot. But if these things can answer questions robustly and quickly, right? You have way easier access to this than you do to me. I still want you to email me, but like on a day-to-day, oh my gosh, this thing is a game changer. Check out Raina. She's amazing. She anthropomorphizing the tech. All right. Set a timer, 5-10 minutes, dig into this, and then go ahead and move on to the next page.